Hello and welcome to the video of unboxing iPhone 4. This one was 16GB version, white, and here it is, the little, heavy and beautiful model of iPhone 4. Almost 16 years old. In the box you have it, user manual, SIM card, USB charger, headphones, which is not situation in these days. Charging was with this 27 pins charger. Also you have aux for headphones. This is the original charger from iPhone 4. And here is charging. Now it starts to booting up. Booting up is quite a long time. You can go to your breakfast and finish it and come back. And almost there. And here it is. Successfully booted. It's working perfect after so many years. There is no support for the iOS, but everything is good and smooth. Classical vibrate, you can hear it. Home button, physically home button. 5 megapixels. Camera. Video. It's quite a bit dark. You need to have so much light to have a good video. This is the control center, the oldest one. Notification center. And this is pretty the same when you are turning off. Just slide to power off. Shooting down process is also not so fast. Aux cable, headphones. They are not on downside, they are on the upper side of iPhone. And this is how it looks on your head. Pretty good and beautiful model. Thank you for watching. Bye.